This video will explain all you need to know about doing business with Livingston County. Whether you're a large or small business, there are a few steps we take to ensure we all work well together in a fair and consistent way, and in a way that ensures we make the best use of our taxpayer dollars. It all makes up what is called our purchasing policy. The Livingston County Purchasing Policy is reviewed annually, and the most current version can be found on our website, livingstoncounty.us. To get to the purchasing page, click on Departments and then Purchasing. You will find all purchasing-related items here. Vendors can also find various vendor information on our website, including how to register as a vendor. In this video, we will touch briefly on how we purchase goods and services and what we expect of our suppliers and contractors. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Livingston County. We are located in Western New York. We are a rural county with approximately 61,800 residents. Livingston County is made up of 17 towns and 9 villages, and our county seat is located in the town of Geneseo. Each town supervisor makes up our 17-member Board of Supervisors, which includes one member elected annually as chairman. Livingston County is also served by our county administrator, who fulfills the duties of budget officer and administrator to all county departments. The types of goods and services acquired by Livingston County are very diverse, so we have developed a set of rules depending on the amount being spent and what type of good or service is needed to ensure we are not only compliant, but also making good use of taxpayer dollars. For purchases, departments must follow the guidelines that are located in our purchasing policy. The most common type of solicitations we issue are competitive bids and requests for proposals. Let's learn a little bit about them. The purchases of goods, equipment, or commodities over $20,000 or public works projects over $34,999 must be competitively bid. All bids that are received are open publicly at the advertised date, time, and location noted in the bid document. Competitive bids are awarded to the lowest responsible bidder or based on the overall best value. Request for proposals, or an RFP, is a formal request to suppliers to submit a proposal that will provide a solution to an identified problem or need. The supplier's experience, qualifications, and solution may take precedence over the price. RFPs are awarded on a scoring matrix that is spelled out in each RFP. An RFP also allows for an interview process, if needed, before an award is made. This allows us to get to know the vendor and better understand their overall proposal and approach to the RFP. All of the current bid and RFP opportunities can be found on our website under Purchasing and then Bid Opportunities. Here, you will find all the information for our open solicitations and how to obtain the project documents. Once you receive the solicitation document, it is important to read through it carefully. The document will explain the detailed scope of work, the general conditions of the request, including the required forms and documents that must be included in your submission. Not complying with all the listed requirements could jeopardize your chance of being awarded the contract. It is important to read the documents carefully and allow yourself plenty of time to prepare your submission before the deadline. Once a company is selected, the Board of Supervisors must approve the award. Once approved, a contract is reviewed and/or drafted by the county attorney. Along with the contract, a full contract packet is put together. Every contract packet must have a signed contract, signed Livingston County appendices, and proof of insurance. Livingston County appendices cover various legal and contractual issues, including but not limited to record-keeping requirements, non-discrimination sexual harassment policies, indemnification, contract termination, conflicts of interest, contract disputes, and insurance requirements. Copies of the appendices are in all solicitation requests, so vendors can review the terms prior to submitting a response. The vendor must also supply proof of insurance. Insurance must be current and maintained for the duration of the contract. Almost every contract requires general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance. Additional types of insurance may be required depending on the type of contract, such as auto insurance and professional liability insurance. Information regarding this can be found in every bid or RFP solicitation packet in Appendix C. Once all the requirements are met and documents are together, the chairman of the board will sign off on the contract. Executed copies of the contract will be sent to the vendor, and the work can begin. Although the rules around procurement can be a lot to take in, it is not as daunting as it may seem. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We value our vendor relationships and want to make this process as easy as possible. Thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you in the near future.